Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a highly sought-after wig that's making waves, literally. The 13 by 6 chocolate brown lace front wig in a stunning body wave texture. This 26-inch, 250% density wig claims to offer a natural look, high-quality HD lace, and styling versatility. But does it deliver? Let's find out. This wig is made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, meaning it's cut directly from donors for a natural look and feel. The 13 by 6 lace frontal provides a deeper parting space compared to standard lace fronts, giving more styling flexibility. It features pre-plucked baby hairs for a more seamless hairline, and the lace itself is designed to be soft, thin, and adaptable to different skin tones. With 250% density, this unit is full and thick, promising a voluminous look. The cap comes in a medium size, equipped with 4 combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic band to ensure a secure fit. Now, let's talk about real-world wear. The wig arrived well packaged, with no noticeable synthetic smell, which is a great start. Running fingers through the hair, it's soft, bouncy, and has a nice natural luster, not overly shiny. The lace does feel lightweight and breathable, making it comfortable for extended wear. Installation was fairly easy, even for beginners. The knots are small, though not entirely invisible, so depending on your preference, you may still want to lightly bleach or tint them for the most natural blend. The body wave pattern holds up well out of the box, but like most human hair wigs, it will require maintenance to keep its shape. It straightens and curls easily, which adds to its versatility. However, there was some shedding during brushing and minor tangling at the nape after prolonged wear, which is common with longer wigs. Now, let's break it down. Pros: high density for a thick, voluminous look. True 13 by 6 parting space for versatile styling. Soft, natural-looking lace that adapts to various skin tones. Comfortable cap with adjustable security features. Holds a curl well and is easy to style. Cons: some shedding and minor tangling with extended use. Knots may still require additional customization for the most seamless look. Medium cap size may not fit everyone perfectly. If this review is helpful so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other wig lovers can find this video too. Now let's talk value. The price reflects the premium features: real human hair, HD lace, and high density. Compared to other 250% density wigs, this one holds up well in terms of quality. However, for those on a tighter budget, there are alternatives with slightly lower density that still offer a good lace front experience. Speaking of comparisons, this wig competes with similar high-density human hair wigs from brands like Alipearl and Najula. While some of those offer pre-bleached knots, they may come at a slightly higher price. If you prioritize volume and length, this wig is a solid contender. In terms of durability, with proper care, washing with sulfate-free shampoo, deep conditioning, and minimal heat styling, this wig should last a good amount of time. The lace is delicate, so gentle handling is key to longevity. Final verdict: this wig delivers on volume, style versatility, and a natural-looking lace front. While it does require some customization to reach its full potential, the quality of the hair and density make it a solid investment for those who want a thick, glamorous look. If you're looking for a long, voluminous, chocolate brown wig that can handle multiple styles, this is worth considering. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this wig, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you're interested, you'll find the link to get yours in the comment box below. Until next time, stay bold, stay beautiful, and keep turning heads.